Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm redecorating my guest bedroom and the color choice I'm doing for today is olive green, beige, champagne, and white. And a little bit hint of brown. I hope you get some inspiration in how to decorate your guest bedroom cozy for fall. This video is also a part of my Fall Home Tour 2022 along with my group, the GLAM Squad, and stay tuned. It will be on Thursday at 7 p.m. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back everyone. And I hope you are doing great wherever you are. And also, I hope you're staying warm. Here in Cleveland, Ohio, it was cold and actually last night is our first snow. And I'm not looking forward to it. Hi guys, welcome to our guest bedroom and I hope you get some ideas and inspiration how to decorate with small bedroom.
But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
And here is my nighttime view. Alright everyone, let's start from my leather tray from Home Goods, rose flower bouquet from Rose Forever, and my pumpkin sign from Hobby Lobby. Lamp from Home Goods, decorative pillows, everything from Home Goods. My mirror, also from Home Goods. Velvet curtain, I bought this one from Home Goods last year. Along with this big wall art right here, also purchased last year. My mirror, I purchased this one from At Home. And my throw blanket from Z Gallery. Bard card over here as I use it as a decorative accent, and this one came from Ross. My eclipse vase from Z Gallery, and all this fall leaves right here mixed from Pier 1 and Target. The green one came from Pier 1 few years ago. All my pumpkin right at the bottom. I have this for a few years and from Home Goods. So mostly item that I featured here, I already have that for a few years and I just redecorating them in every area of my home. Our guest bedroom, guys, it is very small. This is 10 by 10, and shout out to my friend Sandy of Texas. They stay in this guest bedroom when they visit here in Ohio. I was worried at that time because it was very small, but they love it and they said it's very cozy. If you found this video helpful to you, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Stay tuned, guys. Thursday, it will be our full home tour 2022 along with my group, the GLAM Squad. Quilt right here from Tuesday morning, and I believe I purchased this one last summer. And my GLAM mosaic wall art right here, I purchased this from Pure One 2 years ago. After my full home tour, I'm going to release my fall tablescape ideas along with my Thanksgiving tablescape ideas. And to all blue and white lovers, I have something for you as well, and I hope you like it. And after that, I'm going to start my Christmas decorating. Last year, I was very late. My Christmas home tour is the day of Christmas because what happened is I do a lot of decorating for fall. I think I started in August and I ended up around November 1st. So my Christmas is all late. So this year I would like to do it early so that when it comes to Christmas or December, I just want to relax. Again, guys, I hope this video will give you an ideas how to decorate in small bedroom. It depends color choice you have and make it cozy and comfortable. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.